Ever wonder how your message zips across the world in seconds? It's not magic, it's the OSI model at work. The OSI model is like a universal recipe for computers to communicate, breaking down the process into 7 layers. Think of it as building a Lego tower. Each layer has a job, and together, they make digital communication possible. Without this model, devices from different companies couldn't talk, and the internet wouldn't exist as we know it. Imagine sending a birthday cake. You bake it, box it, label it, and ship it. Each step is a layer, ensuring safe delivery. Let's dive in and see how this 7-layer networking cake works. At the base is Layer 1, the physical layer. Cables, Wi-Fi signals, and fiber optics turning data into signals. Layer 2, the data link layer, packages data into frames and uses MAC addresses to deliver it locally, checking for errors. Layer 3, the network layer, is the global postal service, using IP addresses to route data across the world. Layer 4, the transport layer, breaks messages into segments, ensures they arrive in order, and checks for errors. Think TCP for reliability, UDP for speed. Each layer hands off to the next, moving your data from your device to its destination. These 4 layers form the backbone of every network connection. From physical wires to global routing, they make sure your data gets where it needs to go. Now, let's see how your data gets even smarter. Layer 5, the session layer, manages conversations, keeping your video call and web browsing separate and organized. Layer 6, the presentation layer, translates and encrypts data so different systems can understand and keep it secure. Think SSL and TLS. Layer 7, the application layer, is where you interact web browsing, email, and more using protocols like HTTP and SMTP. Sending an email. The application layer starts presentation formats and encrypts. Session manages the connection. Transport segments. Network routes, data link frames, and physical sends the signals. Each layer adds or removes information, ensuring your data travels safely and arrives intact. The OSI model is the invisible guide behind every online action. From your screen to the world, these layers work together seamlessly. That's the magic behind your everyday internet use. Now, why does this model matter? The OSI model simplifies networking by dividing it into layers, letting experts focus on their specialty. It's a powerful troubleshooting tool. Technicians can pinpoint issues by checking each layer, from cables to software. Like a mechanic diagnosing a car, network engineers use the OSI model to find and fix problems efficiently. This layered approach fosters innovation and compatibility across devices and companies. The OSI model is the backbone of our connected world, quietly ensuring your data gets where it needs to go. Understanding it unlocks the secrets of the internet. Congratulations, you're now a networking pro.